Hey everyone, Rich here. I've got a 2019 GMC Sierra 2500. When I got it, if I went over any little bump or curb and, it rocked the whole truck back and forth, side to side, it didn't have to be a very big bump. It would make a loud creak slash thud noise. That's the best words I can use to describe it. And it was loud enough to be, embarrassing if somebody else heard it. Like, hey, you got this new truck and it's making this loud noise when you're going over little bumps. What's with that? Well, I'm going to show you what the problem was and what you need to do to fix it on your truck. As you can see, in between the topmost spring and the second atop, I put a piece of rubber. It's about an 1/8 inch piece of rubber. The width of the leaf spring about, I don't know, 6 inches long. And I spread it open with a pry bar. I had to use a hammer to put the pry bar in there, and then you just put some pressure on it. It'll open right up, and you put that piece of rubber in there. Zip tie them in there to make sure they stay, and do this in all 4 locations, front and back of each side leaf spring. It will make that sound go away. No more creaking, no more thudding or squealing or any kind of noise that you're going to get from a leaf spring. This truck has 63,000 miles on it. So the leaf springs are not in bad condition at all. They were just noisy.